What is angle of friction? To understand angle of friction, let us consider a block resting on a floor. We know that the block's weight W is acting vertically downward, and the normal reaction N is acting vertically upward. Now, when we apply the pulling force P on it, the frictional force Ff starts to develop between the two contacting surfaces. If the resultant force formed by the frictional force and normal reaction is R, and it is in angle theta from the surface normal, then theta is the angle of friction. Thus, the angle between the resultant force and the surface normal is called the angle of friction. Mathematically, angle of friction is represented as, now when we increase the pulling force P, theta will also increase, and theta will be maximum when the block is about to move. Then theta is related terms are the angle of limiting friction, angle of repose, and the impending motion. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition,